What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. So in our last video, when we were looking at Bitcoin, it was back down here at the bottom of the range. And we were looking to see if this potential higher low on the daily was going to be forming. And last time we were looking, price was still down here at around where the exponential moving averages are. And since the last video, price broke out, had this move up, and so it confirmed now that this was a higher low on the daily. Now we're making a higher high. We'll go ahead and mark this off as well, because we were pointing this out in the last video, that after confirming this as a higher low, the next key level would be to take out this high here, the last daily high, which is 65,541. So you can see after this move, we've been consolidating here at this level. And so yesterday was just kind of a backfill candle, so like a breakout retest. So today we're potentially looking for the breakout to continue. The next relevant high to break would be up here at 67,467. So that would be the next key level to break. And in our last video, we were also pointing out how this was looking like an inverse head and shoulder formation. This was the, let me see. Yeah, this was about the neckline for it, like a slanted neckline for this inverse head and shoulder momentum shifting structure, because we had the same low here and here on the left and right shoulder, then this fake breakdown below the range here. So this being the head. And then we had broke the trend line yesterday, and so far things are looking promising. Like we have been saying in our for however long now, we'd been in this range for about 2 months since the beginning of March. During this time, Bitcoin had its halving event, and things are still super bullish going forward. And these have just been great opportunities to dollar cost average and add more to your position. Definitely just a great opportunity and a blessing for people that had just more time to be able to really reallocate and add more to your positions. And opportunities like this don't come around all the time, so you definitely need to be proactive and take action when good opportunities present themselves. And so Bitcoin had been respecting this horizontal here at the bottom of the range for 2 months now. The fake breakdown below the range is where we identified on the MACD there was some bullish divergence, because price made a lower low here, but a higher low on the MACD, showing that there was the negative momentum was waning. So the sellers were losing momentum. So this was our first indication of a potential price reversal. Then we had this higher low here on the daily. And we were also looking at the RSI before in the MACD, and we were pointing out how since being overbought all the way back here and just resetting the oscillators this whole time for the past 2 months, the RSI was at the oversold territory. Then it got above the EMA, and then it bounced off of it. Same thing with the MACD lines as well, the exponentials down here. The faster got above, the slower, and it bounced off of that as well. So just like the how the RSI did. And now the positive momentum is continuing to build for the MACD as well. And then now you can see that the EMA price for the RSI is about 63,426, which is about where all of these EMAs are. Again, the red is the 9 EMA, yellow is the 21, and the green is the 55. So it definitely wouldn't be crazy if Bitcoin went back and retested anywhere around here. That is also where the trend line is. But then again, we may have already had that with yesterday's price action. So things are still looking promising. So now we're looking to see if this breakout is for real and if the uptrend is going to be continuing now. The next step would be to get above this price here at 67,467. And then once that happens, then it would be another free ride, I think, to test the top of this range here, this trend line that we've been confined in. And if Bitcoin were to get above that and then really start to break out from there, well, then we'll be looking onwards to new all-time highs. But we just got to take it one step at a time. Another thing I want to show here, follow up on the weekly, is you can see the first daily high that we got above was last week's high. So now we're above last week's high, bullish engulfing. And also above the 9 exponential moving average now, which you can see once this move really started to pick up again, Bitcoin has just been riding the 9 up, this uptrend. So back above that now, bullish engulfing over last week's high. And then if you were to go to a 2-week time frame, you can see that the next high that we pointed out on the daily is actually the prior 2-week candle high at 67,467. So that'll definitely be another key area to break. So we'll definitely continue to monitor that. But so far, so good. This is definitely why we pay attention to the market when things are boring or when there's maximum fear, because those always present the greatest opportunities. And then one more thing I want to follow up on is the total 3 chart. So total 3 is pretty much the chart for all your favorite crypto altcoins, excluding Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is like a conglomerate of just showing how the total 3 altcoin market is looking. So anyways, you can see how the price action has been consolidating down here on the daily, and it's consolidated right in all these EMAs as well. The Bollinger Band indicator is super constricted, meaning that probably a volatile move is incoming, and you can see the Bollinger Band now is starting to curve up. I'm sure we could probably draw something here as well, like that. That's the upper trend line. And we don't really need this bottom one for now, but let's just say this upper trend line here is what we're looking to see break out next for total 3. And it's almost like looking at a Bitcoin price action in the past, like before it broke out. So now we're looking to see total 3 follow through with its breakout. But for this one, all you need to do is just zoom out. See that on a monthly time frame. We're just retesting this horizontal here from before when total 3 broke down. Weekly has been consolidating here at the 21 and the 9, which is definitely a great dollar cost averaging opportunity for whatever your favorite alt crypto is. And then if you were to go to like a 6-month chart, that definitely, it's not a bearish chart, I'll put it that way. It definitely looks nice. And you can see what happened last time. We were in a similar kind of position for total 3. We haven't even taken out the highs yet. So again, it's still early, and these past 2 months have just been an amazing opportunity to dollar cost average more and add more to your positions. And then I guess last thing I'll say here on the daily is that we're up at the Bollinger Band here as well, the top Bollinger Band. So that'd be another thing to pay attention to. If we can get above this next level here, which was the prior 2-week high, that would be getting the daily above the top Bollinger Band as well, which is usually an indication of a trending move, volatility expanding. So again, 2-month-long consolidation. We're going to have to follow up and see if price action continues and if this breakout is for real to new all-time highs. But we'll definitely be back in the next video and follow up on that. But definitely appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the market. Do you think this breakout is for real, or do you think this is just another fake out? Go ahead and let me know. But thanks again, guys. We'll follow up on the next one. So see you then.